A light magnitude 3.0 earthquake hit 12.6 kilometers, 8 miles, away from Coquimbo, Region de Coquimbo, Chile, in the late afternoon of Monday, June 30, 2025 at 6:01 p.m. local time, GMT-4. The quake had a shallow depth of 67 kilometers, 42 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, volcano discovery after 55 seconds. Data source from volcano discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.